Today we'll be discussing how to create an image in Flutter. So to start with, we'll need an image file. So I'm going to go into Finder and grab an image file here that will then display in our application. So what we need to do is go over to our Flutter project. You'll see I have an images folder here that I've created, and then I'll just go ahead and drag my image here into the images folder. Great. Now I just need to navigate into the pubspec.yaml file, and this is so that Flutter actually knows that my images folder exists. So under the Flutter section of the pubspec.yaml file, we'll go ahead and add an assets section, and then under the assets section we'll go ahead and add the path for images. So we can go ahead and save this, and it will go ahead and update the project. Great, so now we can go ahead and navigate over to our actual code file. So right now we just have a material component, so I'll just go ahead and add a very simple center component just so our image stays centered on the screen. And then as a child of that, I will do image.asset, and then the name here would be the path to the asset, so we can actually easily grab that from our file here. So if we right click and do copy relative path, that will give us the path to the image file. And so just wrap it in quotes. Looks good. And then if we go ahead and hit save, we'll be able to see the image displayed. And that's how you display an image from a local file in Flutter.